Anytime you're ready.
Ready to go?
You're ready to go.
Alright, wait. Tom, you ready?
3, 2, 1, go. Pull more, Gary.
Like Beyblade, just for kids.
More pressure, candidate.
Faster.
Ooh, I like it.
Oh, it's
Faster.
smoking.
One, two, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1,
Parth.
2,
Parth.
1, 2.
Let's check.
Thank you.
Pull that up. Pull that up. Oh, come on, baby. Holy smokes.
Not quite. Keep going while it's hot.
Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. All the way back, Gary. All the way back.
All the way back, Gary.
Yep, there you go.
It's cranking dust now.
1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. I can keep going for a while.
Keep going.
Are you going to go to 1/2 now? It's like 2, 1.
Freeze, let's check it.
Half.
Ho! 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 Come on.
Still not done. Let's go back at it.
It's a very
Go.
big rock. Did it not work? The rock?
Here we go.
Oh, sorry. Up over there.
Trying to figure out why they would say they did it. You know, like they threw exhaustion there though. So they're trying
I like that smoky. Let's just go until you can't go anymore.
So if they use
Okay. Oh.
they're trying to grind.
Oh. My left arm's hurting more than my right. I'm pretty sure you could touch that to a bird's nest and light something.
How would I break it? Does that bounce? Probably not.
Bro, would you look at that? I mean, that is cinder.
They're doing an Osage Orange thing.
Woo!
You got any more? Don't hit me, Gary. Don't tug of war here. Don't tug of war. Get in there, Justin. Pull it all the way back, Gary.
And we could like...
All the way back, Gary.
You know? What if I really tried? I could do it again. But I haven't seen any of them like that. Hubris will bite me. I tried to surface one the other day. Joe, you might have to see.
Okay, freeze. Let's see if we got it.
They're literally on the tongue.
A whole lot of dust.
What was that? What was that?
A whole lot of dust.
I think you got it.
Is this the only place?
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep breathing. Rob, breathe, breathe. Gary, you breathe too. Brad, don't you forget. Breathe, come on, breathe. Breathe.
All right, let's check it.
Oh.
Holy crap, look at that thing sitting there. You got right there. Is that it? Scoop it. No.
I think it's just smoke from the spindle. Look at that.
Wait a minute. You sure?
Look at the striations here. Look at these striations.
I think we're about through the bottom. Yeah.
Look at this dust.
Holy crap. Were you expecting that?
No.
I'm doing two hands.
Mostly go.
You're drinking. Roll it. Faster. Faster. There you go.
Benny, do you know the top line?
Here, Justin, look.
Isn't it in your book? Are you looking at it?
Hold on, lift your foot.
Where did you show it someone?
That right there was smoking. Look how it's condensed.
It's still smoking, Justin.
Look at this.
Wait, it's on.
It's on. Look
back up a little bit.
Back up, back up. Look right there. Look right there.
Oh,
holy hand grenades!
back up.
Slowly. Bird's nest.
Knife, please.
Got it?
Yep.
Oh,
We got a freaking Ember.
So you wrap it around.
Practically just the bone. And how is it different?
Just let that build a little bit.
Dude. That's like useful for.
Oh, don't go out.
come on, baby.
Don't go out.
Come on, baby. Wait, it's still there. There we go.
You want some like normal?
Colin, you gonna do it?
It's glowing. Colin, this team
I got
effort.
two. Colin, come here, buddy.
Get your knife.
Colin, I got your bundle.
Dude, there's dust for days.
You ready?
Colin.
Huh?
Colin the master. You see it, Colin, don't you? Yeah. Let's do this.
There's one.
Can you get to the other side and just hold it? Okay. Can you hold one side for me?
Well, you're just going up and down.
Alright, this stays up there.
Where's that?
Get it, Colin. Fire pit, fire pit.
What even is it raining?
Not even much.